Question 9 asks why the author mentions something. The author mentions the props employed in the passing of Arthur as. So this is a purpose of a detail question. They've pulled out part of the passage and they want to know what this does in the author's overall agenda. If we look at our notes, we know that the passing of Arthur comes up in the last paragraph, and there it's an example of the way that Cameron's artwork is valuable, in that she combines the artistic with the amateur. So in order to know what the props are doing, that's what they're asking us about, we have to say, were the props artistic or were they amateur? And the props were amateur. So that's what we're going to be looking for in the answer choices. Generally speaking, you should have a pretty good prediction of the function of pieces of the argument because that's what you're trying to tease out as you read anyway. So answer choice A, examples of amateurish aspects of the work. Well, that's what we just said. The props are amateurish. So answer choice A is what we wanted. What's wrong with the other answers? Well, B, evidence of the transformative power of theater. Theater was only discussed in paragraph 2. The props didn't have anything to do with that. Answer choice C, testimonies to Cameron's ingenuity. While the author likes Cameron, her ingenuity was not ever brought up. Answer choice D, indications that the work is intended ironically. That contradicts the passage. It certainly has nothing to do with the passing of Arthur, but Cameron didn't intend her works ironically. She intended them to be high and serious. And then answer choice E, support for a negative appraisal of the work, but we know that the author likes Cameron, so the props can't possibly be support for something the author never did. So the answer was answer choice A.